So round 1 of the head, we start again with 6 single crochet in a magic ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Put the stitch marker here, and now I tighten up, and then I'm ready to start with round 2. Round 2 is 6 increases again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And now we go on with round 3. Round 3 is to single crochet increase 4 times. So let's do this. 2 single crochet, increase, 2 single crochet, increase, 2 single crochet, increase, and then 2 single crochet, and increase. Let's count that we actually have now 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, and now round 4 is 16 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now we have another round of 16 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. And this is the rows we are going to have to place the eyes on. So let's go on with some more rows before placing them. Round 6 is 6 single crochet, decrease 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and decrease 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then decrease. Now let's move on with round 7, which is 5 single crochet and then decrease. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and decrease. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then decrease. Now we finish round 7 and we are ready to place our safety eyes. So this part where there is a stitch marker, first of all I would advise you to remove the stitch marker and to place it here so that your work will be safe. Now then this part will be on the bottom. So to add the safety eyes, we will add them at round 5. So this is round 7. You can count 1, 2, 3 stitches, and then you go in one round, in a second round, and we will put the safety eye here. So you can create the hole for your safety eye with your hook, and then you insert the safety eye. Then let's see where to place it on the other side. So it will be about here. We make another hole and we place the safety eye. Then let me show you quickly how I make the embroidery for the eyes. So I take a piece of white yarn and I put it in the tapestry needle. Then I remove the eye, I insert the yarn here, I put back the eye, and then I insert the yarn here, back again. Okay, so I keep it out for the time being, and then I take the clip, I clip the eye very tight, and now I can gently pull the yarn here to adjust it and create the embroidery on the eye, like this. Okay, done. And now at the end usually I make a knot like this to keep everything from moving. And then I cut it so I will have less stuff on the inside. Okay, now let's do the same on the other eye. I take a piece of white yarn, I insert it inside, I put the safety eye back, and now I re-put the yarn inside. Then then I clip the eye. Here it is. Have to clip it well. And then you pull gently to adjust the embroidery. Up. And you make a knot to keep everything from moving. And then I cut the yarn. And I also cut the other little tail from the magic ring here. And what else I can do now is that I can start stuffing a bit, at least the starting part that I won't be able to reach after. So I will stuff it in this way. Okay. Let's stuff a little bit more. Okay, and now we can move on with the next round. So let's move on with round 8. So I remove the stitch marker from here and I put it back in the last stitch of the row. And then round 8 now is 12 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now round 9, 4 single crochet, 2 decreases and 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, another decrease, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. We can move on with round 10. So round 10 is 3 single crochet, 2 decrease, 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 2, the first decrease, the second decrease, and then 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then round 11 is the last round and it's 8 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I pull out the yarn, I cut it, leave a long tail because it will be needed for sewing, and you pull out the yarn and then we can finish stuffing a little bit. So I usually do it like this, a little bit more of stuffing. Okay, a little bit more. Don't stuff too much toward the ends because you will need them to sew it. Okay, and then before finishing with the head, we must sew together the 2 extremities of the head. So you put them in this way, and you just sew the 2 of them together a little bit. Oops, like this. Whoop. Okay, and that's it. Now we can put together all the pieces.